Once these houses get hot or cold, it takes a lot to either heat them up or cool them down. So yes, so you need all the protection that you can get.
The first thing you do is you switch on your air conditioner or fans or whatever to keep cool. And yeah, the longer you spend inside, the more power you use.
Bendigo is a hot place in the summertime, but I think if you stay indoors and be a bit sensible, put a cold rag around your neck if you get hot.
If you can block the draughts off, that helps immensely. And then wherever the sun in the west, try and get a couple of blinds on the windows that are facing the west.
I'd love to get all outside blinds. Half the house is done. Now the veranda's got a blind, and we're really aware that that's a priority, is looking after the house and reducing the heat in the summer so that we don't need that air conditioner.
Once summer starts, the blinds are down, and I never put them up until summer's over, because they cut down the heat. Unbelievable.
I like to be able to go where I want to go, but I notice I have been shutting the room that I don't use up there, I shut that off.
I'd recommend a lot of people just try one room and see what the difference is, and I'm pretty sure that they'll see that there's advantages all around, because in the summertime they'll keep the coolness in, and in the winter time it keeps the heat in.
I'm hoping it'll make a big change. I have noticed a little bit in the winter too, that's blocked out a lot of the draughts.
If you can zone parts of your house, it's more economical.
You don't realise it when you're earning wages, but you know, from being on the pension, it's hit home more now than it ever has to me. And
my gas and electricity bills have gone down because I'm not using excessive gas and electricity, and it's been good, so I'm looking forward to the summer in the same situation.
If you're going to do any work, try and plan it for the cooler part of the day rather than get out there in the maximum temperature.
You know, you can get very sick from being dehydrated.
A lot of my friends carry bottled water all the time.
Live quietly, eat cool foods, keep hydrated, and follow the shade and the protected rooms.
Just take your time, up with the fluids, don't go rushing around outside. No gardening till it's dark.